So school is making you feel dumb. I'm sorry to hear that. Feeling stupid may significantly negatively impact one's self-esteem. Before we begin, the first thing you should know is that you are not alone. Many people in the Western world feel inferior or inadequate because of the educational system, as though they're stupid and perhaps even useless. There is nothing more incorrect than this statement. It has nothing to do with your natural intelligence. Despite everything you've been taught your whole life, intelligence isn't only about passing examinations. It doesn't imply you're stupid just because the school's approach to learning doesn't suit you, or you're not brilliant at arithmetic or writing essays, or whatever academic talent it is. Quite the opposite. This video is an open letter to anyone who has ever thought, or worse, been told that they are stupid. Forget everything and remember this. You have so much to offer, and a number or grade on a piece of paper will never, ever determine your worth. In this video, you will learn about the top 4 reasons you will excel in life, even if school is making you feel dumb. Before continuing in the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to stay updated with upcoming exciting videos. Back to the video now. Number 1. Intelligence is a multifaceted concept. In our Western society, there is a belief that intelligence is synonymous with book learning. If you don't do well in school, you are unintelligent. When in fact, there are numerous sorts of intelligence that you could be born with. Many of these will take you further in life than a natural aptitude for education. You could be emotionally bright and compassionate with excellent interpersonal abilities. You might be a gifted artist with a vivid imagination and strong motor skills. You might be an excellent problem solver who thinks outside the box to solve problems. Know that your strengths are equally as valuable and essential as your capacity to cram vast amounts of information into your head and regurgitate it during an exam. And while cramming is helpful in school or college, it may not be as beneficial later in life as some of these other talents. Academic talents are only very significant in our society to bring you to a certain point in life. At the same time, other skills and abilities will become much more important once you enter the workforce unless you opt to pursue a career in academics. The truth is that school does not adequately prepare us for the majority of life's challenges. And it's entirely possible that the same attributes that make you struggle in school can help you succeed in the workplace. Number 2. Every person's mind is distinct. Everyone's thinking is different, and we must acknowledge and celebrate this. No one else has your unique perspective on the world, and no one else can match your fantastic set of skills. It's possible that you learn in a little different method than others. Some people need to read or see something conveyed visually before they get it. Others gain knowledge through listening to others speak. Others prefer to learn by talking and repeating what has been said. It's possible that your school or college's teaching methods are incompatible with your learning style. So many students have been made to feel stupid in school because they cannot assimilate material and how their teachers instruct them. You may take longer than others to pick up new abilities or absorb additional information, but you may be better at remembering what you've learned once you've done so. Your mind may excel in more artistic subjects, or you may have a natural talent for words but struggle with statistics, or vice versa. And your unique talents, mainly if they are more creative, may not be regarded as highly in a school setting as a talent for math or science. Remember that just because you're not good in school doesn't imply you're stupid, despite what you've been told. You have so much to contribute, and it's only the beginning. Number 3. Life begins when you leave school. When you're young and still in school, it's easy to believe that if you don't perform well on your tests, your life will be gone before it really begins. Everything seems to hinge on the outcome of the next essay or test. But I'm here to assure you that, in 10 years, those exam results that seem so significant right now will be irrelevant. Sure, good grades in school can offer you a lift in life and open some doors for you. But there are a plethora of other options for making a living that has nothing to do with academia. Exam results that aren't flawless may close certain doors for you, but look around and observe the windows they open. Nothing will be handed to you on a silver platter, but with an open mind and plenty of persistence, you can achieve anything in your life. Number 4, identify your skills and use them to your advantage. So if you're not interested in school, but you have a diverse set of abilities, and to succeed in life, you must be completely aware of your abilities. If you're having trouble figuring out what they are, talk to some of the individuals you care about. Inquire your friends and family about your strengths. Their responses might surprise you. After that, consider what they mean to you. How can you put your abilities to good use to go where you want to go in life? You never stop learning in your own way. I used to think that once I graduated from high school, I'd know everything there was to know. It turns out that I was completely wrong. Life is a continuous learning process. Of course, you learn from your professional experiences. However, your education in many other areas will continue indefinitely. Every day, you do learn something new. The point is that just because school isn't for you, doesn't mean you should stop learning. You will learn throughout your life in your own unique way. You'll discover your own passions, and you might even learn that you have a passion for biology, geography, or languages that you didn't realize you had in school. Suppose you simply have faith in yourself and can recognize all of your skills, qualities, and abilities. In that case, you will be able to put them to good use and move forward to a fulfilling life that you will enjoy. And you'll look back at some point and marvel how you ever thought you were stupid when you're anything but. Do you agree or disagree with the points talked about in the video? Please do let us know in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you receive the notification every time we upload a new video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.